Alright boys, so it's been a few days since I uploaded. I know I said I was going to upload like every day, but it's kind of hard honestly. But it's easier said than done, if you know what I mean. Anyways, look what came in the mail today. So I'm going to open this thing up and you guys will see. Let's get my seat down on the floor here. I don't think I showed you guys this, but another tripod. I'm gonna try testing this thing out right now with this camera for this little unboxing. Okay, so you know, I kind of did that thing where I wasn't recording again, and I didn't open the box or anything, or I opened the box but I didn't take anything out, so I just like cut the tape and everything. So that's where we're gonna start off at. So got the box opened. Some nasty paper. Got my Rode microphone. Sweet. I'm gonna yeah. It's kind of hard to like do it with this box here, but there's that. Got my little SD card, 32 gigabyte. Actually, I think I have like a 128 gigabyte one somewhere around here. I had to find that. And then we got this beast. The Canon T7i. This is like actually the first like DSLR I've ever owned. This G7X is the first camera I've ever owned actually. This is the second camera I've ever owned other than the one I'm using now. But I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera back down. We're gonna open this up and see what this beauty looks like. Boom, paper. Probably charging cord and manual and everything. Got our battery. Got the little strap. I actually ordered 2 more of these batteries and a charger. They just ain't got here yet. Said they're supposed to be here today, but yeah, they've not showed up yet. I'm sorry if you guys can't see me. Actually, it came with a charger. I think the charger I ordered, and it's a dual charger, so like charges like 2 of them. So that'd probably be a whole lot better. I don't know though. Got 3 batteries though. I only have 1 right now, but the other 2's on the way. I'm like really sorry you guys can't see my face. It's just I don't know. Camera's more important though. I'm gonna kind of set this right here and like. This is the lens, guys. It's 18 to 55 millimeter. There we go, 18 to 55 millimeter. Not really sure, like I looked up some lens reviews and was going to order a different one, but I ended up ordering the camera from somewhere else, so I didn't. So I'm going to do some research on that and see like what the best lenses and everything are, and I'll probably end up getting a new lens or something. I don't know yet. Probably test this one out first. Get that thing out of the way, and here we go. Right here is what we wanted. thing is pretty big actually. But you got your little flip out twistable camera. Thing's pretty sweet for like videoing and everything, like vlogging. This thing is bad to the bone. So I'm gonna like try figuring out how to put this thing together and hook this mic up and everything, and we're gonna test her out. I have to charge her. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that battery on charge while I'm like trying to hook everything up. Alright, so I got my battery hooked up, got it charging. Figuring out how to do all this crap. That is the lens. Don't even know how this thing goes back in. Okay. So this should just go in these little slots. There we go, I got that lens and I was like, what the frick? That thing just kind of like popped out like that, but I was actually twisting the, I was actually zooming it. But I think I got that in. Go ahead and put this cover back on it. Now I'm trying to hook this bad boy up. Again, more instructions. Who uses instructions, you know? Really need to, hang on, I'm gonna try something. It's a little bit better. Not really too sure how this thing goes on. I know it goes on the top right here. But I think, yeah, there we go. And I guess you just tighten it down like that. And you got your little pecker looking mic. No, I'm just playing, guys. Oh god, it's funny. Now our little aux cable thingy. Look in the back. I can't really. There we go. And then over here into your mic thingamajigger. And then there, I got my mic hooked up. So I'm gonna try opening this thing. These things are a pain because you got that cardboard over the plastic, and I don't know, they're just a pain to open. Or actually, this one has like a thing on the back. You can. I've never seen that before. That one wasn't like the usual. That one is actually pretty easy. Go ahead and insert an SD card. Don't really know which way. Actually, it says right here. Got that in. Battery ain't fully charged, but I'm gonna go ahead and stick her in there anyway. This bad boy should turn on. Oh boy, there we go. I'm actually gonna set everything up real quick and then probably try recording on this thing. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so actually started to set the other camera up and the battery ended up dying. So I have the battery on charge right now, and after that charges up, I'm gonna finish setting everything up and then I'll probably record on it and see how it records and everything. And hopefully I like it. But I'll see you guys then. I just got done editing like a 10+ minute video. It's 1:30 in the morning. I was having some problems in a Final Cut, so I just closed it like I usually would. And usually if I come back into it, everything's still there. Like everything I've edited is still there. But you know, this time gone. Everything's gone. I've been editing for like an hour and a half, if not a little bit more. And now I've lost everything. I have nothing saved, so if I want to upload that video, I'm going to have to import everything, like every clip I had in, back onto the computer, or back into Final Cut, and then just cut everything back up piece by piece. So I don't even know if I end up uploading that video at all. If I do, I'll just have to go and re-edit it again. I may or may not do that. I've not made up my mind yet. It's 1:30 in the morning. I'm gonna get off here, go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. And also, before I go, I filmed on this camera earlier. This is the new camera, and I think I ended up deleting that clip, but I'm not that worried about that. It was just a little bit I filmed. Losing that video kind of makes me sad though. Oh well though. I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace.